Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe followed by the bell. In view of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 will be announced, we can take a good guess. We predict we'll see it on August 9, 2023, because that's the second Wednesday of next August, and Samsung launched the Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Galaxy Z Flip 3 on the second Wednesday in August. There will probably then be a wait of around 2 weeks before it ships, so you should be able to have it in your hands in late August, if our predictions are right. The price is harder to predict, but it's likely to cost a similar amount to the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, which starts at $999.99. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is actually one of the more affordable foldable phones, but for the specs you get, folding screen aside, it's still fairly expensive, so we'd love to see Samsung push the price down a little further for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. A telephoto lens is a standard feature across almost all high-end phones, yet it's a feature the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 lacks. In fact, the Z Flip 4 only has a dual-lens camera, comprised of a 12MP primary and 12MP ultra-wide snapper, so it's quite basic and lacking on the photography front. We want to see big upgrades here for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, with a telephoto lens added and ideally upgrades to the other cameras. Battery life is a problem for a lot of phones and even more so for foldables, as they tend to have smaller batteries than similarly sized conventional handsets. That's presumably because the folding mechanism takes up space that could otherwise be used by a battery, but it's a definite issue, often leading to subpar longevity. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, for example, only has a 3700 mAh battery. While the 6.7-inch foldable main screen on the Galaxy Z Flip 4 is a decent size, the 1.9-inch cover display, which is what you can see and interact with when the main screen is folded shut, is too small to do much with. Sure, it can show notifications and the time, but it's too tiny to properly interact with, meaning that for most smartphone functions you have to flip the phone open. We'd like to see a bigger secondary screen on the next model, allowing you to keep the phone folded shut more often. We've detailed some of the upgrades we want above, but just in general we want the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 to feel like a substantial improvement on the Galaxy Z Flip 4. The company is apparently expecting 2023's two main foldables to barely rack up a combined 10 million shipments, up from the 7.1 million units currently estimated for last year's Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3, but down from the Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4's ambitious 15 million prediction total at the moment. By the way, the Z Flip 5 is expected to be roughly 4 times as popular as the Z Fold 5, unlike the Z Fold 4, which is likely to sit a little closer to its Z Flip 4 cousin in terms of global demand this fall. That is it guys, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video, peace out.